How you doing? Big Jim Country Boy here today. Show you a little car cleaner upper trick, best we can anyway. Know if you can see that there. Scratches and paint on the 2013 Ford Escape. My wife's on her 17th year, still learning how to drive. She ran into the shed over there, parking in the driveway. I'll show you what she's driving into. She's driving into this, running on that green board down there. So little Jim Country Boy is going to show you how to get rid of that. What we got here is we're using a polishing compound. It's got leaked once and got on there, but it's a premium Turtle Wax polishing compound. You pretty much use it like car polish, but it's got a little bit of fine grit in it to clean out. So you pour a generous amount on there. And go ahead and rub that on all. Go. Nope, forward to backwards. Concentrate in small spots where the green is. Like this, look. Small spots, don't get crazy. Like you're erasing it or trying to clean it off. Keep it wet. Catch some more of that polish off the top of the paint there if you need it. So roll that up in your fingers tight like that. Yep, now you got the hang of it. Keep scrubbing like that. This will take some fine scratches out of your clear coat too. Some more polish in there off their edge there. Yeah, there you go. Now rub it in there good. Get some more of that grit working. It's got a fine grit. You can use toothpaste like Crest has got abrasives in it too, with a toothbrush or with a rag. This is made for it. It's got some waxing compound in it. Help it shine. Forwards to backwards, because you're going to put fine scratches in it. That swirl motion is going to show up. Front to back, straight line, it won't show up. You usually use this like that to take swirl marks out of your clear. Maybe switch the towel to another spot if you need to. Wet it with that polish up by the headlight again. Speaking of headlights, you can use this to take that haze off of your headlights too. Recondition them. Pick up the pace a little bit there. You know, we are filming this. They ain't got all day. Open that rag up bigger and I'll make bigger strokes all the way down and smear that white stuff back and forth everywhere. Keep going. Yep, all the way down. Give it some time and then move down. That black plastic, it kind of like makes it look funny and stains it. You should watch doing that. You get it on there, you gotta like clean it off with some all-purpose, like car polish, and then you gotta buff it. It's all gone. Scratches or nothing. Paint's all gone.